In this tutorial, let's look into the product placement feature of the HeyGen framework and discover how you can create a background using text with HeyGen's VO AI video generation. But first we'll demonstrate with the Avatar Ivor video generation engine. From the home screen, we will click on Apps, then click on See All button located beside the Explore All Apps section, and then click on the Product Placement app feature. Now we will upload a photo of our product and choose an avatar to talk about the product. Now let's pick from the following gestures. Before I pick, you can see some of the AI gestures are off, but the third and fourth one look okay. Let's pick the fourth option. We'll let the AI generate the script for us. We will then demonstrate typing in a custom motion prompt and then choosing from the custom motion prompt options. Let's choose a voice that matches our avatar from the HeyGen library. We will add the filters, gender to female, and voice age to middle-aged to match the current avatar we have chosen.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like
Hey there. Here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Now we'll preview.
I usually don't stick with things like this, but this one actually made it easy. It fits into my day without any effort. That's a win for me.
For our closing remarks, our avatar's photo hand gesture was off and could be improved by regenerating more hand gesture photos. The product also looked thicker than its original size. Let's now try the same thing over, but with the VO engine that allows you to create a background for your scene with text. Again, to navigate from the home screen, we will click on Apps, then click on See All button located beside the Explore All Apps section, and then click on the Product Placement app feature. Now we will upload the same photo of the product, and we'll also try with another avatar. From this screen, let's switch to the VO 3.1 option. From here, we can enter multiple scenes and also describe the background of our video, except in the first scene, which defaults to the chosen background from the chosen or uploaded photo. And we will demonstrate that by entering background text into all of the scenes. Let's also add a second scene. You will see in the preview that the background text will work in the second and subsequent screens, but not in the first. In our final or third scene, we will ask the VO AI to keep the background the same as the prior or second scene. Let's play our final scene.
Great for working out your wrists and hands. Also a great rehabilitation device for pulls and strains. This flex bar helps me out with my yoga routine and also doubles as a wrist rehabilitation device that provides increased strength for my wrist and hand. Click link in bio for more.
For our closing remarks, with respect to the VO engine, the engine was able to change the background of our scene through text and handled hand gestures better than the Avatar 4 engine. On the other hand, the product seemed to be larger than the original product uploaded, and the texture had also changed in subsequent scenes, making the product accuracy better using the Avatar 4 engine. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe, like, or comment, and sign up to HeyGen using the link in the description for free Sign Up to HeyGen Framework Free.